Okay, so now that you're all set up, you have your signals chats, you have your trading app, you're all good to go. This video is to show you how to get into a trade. So there are two types of trades that you're going to see when they're called out in the signals chat. So let's go over the first type. Let's go to our trading app, MetaTrader 4. The first type of trade is called market execution. It's our default trade type. So when they call these types of trades in the signals chat, they're not going to say that it's a market execution. It's automatically assumed since it's our default type of trade, okay? What you're going to want to look for a market execution trade is your currency pair. You want to know whether or not you're buying or selling. You want to know your stop loss number and your take profit number. These will all be given to you in the signals chat. So, for example, you need to know on your bottom left hand screen when you tap on quotes, this is the page that you'll see. And on your left hand side in white, you're going to see the currency pairs. So for example, AUD USD, EUR USD, GBP USD, these are all considered currency pairs. So when they give you a signal in the chat, you're going to go to the currency pair that they're telling you the signal is for. So, for example, let's say AUD USD is the signal that was called. You would tap on AUD USD, you would click trade, you would enter your stop loss number. So let's just say, for sake of things, that number is 59000. You would enter your take profit number. Let's say that's 63000, right? And you need to know whether or not you're buying or selling. So this is what it will look like right before you take the trade. Your currency pair is at the top. Market execution is already set up for you, right? So that's your default. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to add anything. The number right below it should say 0.01. That means that you're trading at 10 cents per pip. Again, I'm not going to go into why. This is just the how, okay? So it should say market execution 0.01. You enter in those two numbers, your stop loss number and your take profit number, and then you click buy or sell, whatever they told you to do. So let's just say it's a buy for us, right? Once you click buy, it's automatically going to look like this. All trades start off in the negative. You're going to let the numbers run. You've already set your stop loss and take profit, so you literally set it and forget it, okay? The next type of trade is called a pending order. And the way that you take this type of trade is you're going to go to your quote screen, okay? And you're going to choose the currency pair that they told you. Again, let's just go with AUD USD again, for example. Click trade. Okay, now with this pending order, you have 4 different types within your market execution. You can do a buy stop, a buy limit, a sell stop, or a sell limit. So what you're going to do is right under your currency pair where it says market execution, you're going to tap it, and you're going to choose whichever one of these they tell you to use, whether it's a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, or a sell stop. You're going to choose the one that they tell you. They will always tell you if it's a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, or a sell stop, because that's the ones that are like out of the ordinary. Remember, the ordinary ones are market execution, so they won't say anything. But if it is one of these 4 options, they will let you know. And the way to get to that again is by clicking on market execution at the top and looking for the one that they've told you to do and tapping it. So let's just do a buy limit, for example. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to put in your price, your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. And then you're going to place the trade. So your price here is the same price as an entry price. You might see it in the signals chat as E or EN or price. It all means the same thing, and it's all for this first number here. So let's just say, for example, our entry price is, they give us the number, right? They give us the number 0.6200. And let's say for stop loss, they've given us 0.5800. And for take profit, they've given us 0.63000. Okay? What you're going to then do, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's say these are the parameters they gave you, right? They've given you the price at 0.60000. They've given you the stop loss at 0.580000, and the take profit 0.630000. This place is gonna populate where it says place. It's gonna populate in blue. That's how you're gonna know the trade is ready to go. And you're literally gonna click place. And this is what it's gonna look like. As you can see, the first one that we did, the market execution, is already in profit. Okay? So that's how you place a market execution order, which is our market execution trade, which is our default trade, and a pending order trade. So let's also go over one more thing. Well, two more things. The first thing I want to go over is how to add a currency pair if you don't see it in your quotes section. So you would just go to quotes at the bottom left-hand side. And if they give you a currency pair that you don't see, you would just tap the plus button at the top right corner. Hold the screen down and just kind of slide it a little bit till you see the search bar. Type into the search bar the currency pair that you're looking for. So let's just say EUR. I already have that one, EUR. Let's just say EURCAD wasn't there, and that's the one that I want to use. I would type that in, EURCAD. It'll populate for me there. I just click the green plus button. Cancel. Back. And when I look at the bottom of my screen, it'll then populate for me to just go ahead and tap it, trade, and take the trade that way, okay? So that's how you add currency pairs that aren't there. The next and last thing that I want to do is to show you an example of how to take one of these trades in the signals chat. So you're going to get notifications to your phone, right? Because you already have your notifications on from the signals chat. And when you get one, you're going to go right to the chat. So let's go to Telegram, for example. Telegram, let's see, Crystal. Where's my group? Hang on one second. Okay, Crazy Forex Team. Okay, so let's just say that you get a notification from Strictly Withdrawals, right? And this is what they've given you at the top. Okay, so you're going to get a notification. When you click on the notification, it's going to take you exactly to this page. So they're telling you that it's a buy. They're telling you that the currency pair is US 30. We're going to always go with TP1 if there's more than one TPs. And the stop loss is, they give you the number for the stop loss there, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and enter this trade into our trading app. Now, this is not considered a pending order. This is considered a normal trade, a default trade, a market execution. That's why they don't tell us anything about buy limit, buy stop, whatever. You're just going to take the trade, okay? So this is what you have to do. Go back to your trading app, MetaTrader 4. You're going to look for the currency pair US 30, and if it's not there, you just add it, right? How I just taught you. But I actually have it here, US 30. So again, it's telling us buy US 30. So I'm going to click on US 30. I'm going to click trade. Okay. And then what does it tell us? It tells us that our TP is 22120. So for my TP, I'm going to make sure that says 22120. And then my